Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is my 2014 GMC Sierra. Just put on the 2024 Ultimate Denali wheels. These are 24 by 10. The tire is a 315/35 R24. And these are full run tires. These have the chrome window, the polished lip, and the inside is painted, and I put chrome center caps. Debadged the truck. This is a Texas edition, so I took the Texas edition off, tinted the windows to match the rears. You can see the offset. These wheels do not stick out the side. These are the Gen Y 2018 taillights. This is the logo off of the 2024 Pro tailgate. Also got a new chrome rear bumper with LED lights. The exhaust is stock. I just put a tip on it. I believe it's a 3-inch. This one has the painted handles. It's the SLE model. Take a look at the front end on it. This is the bolt over grill, and then I just covered up the red logo with carbon fiber sticker. So that's daytime running lights. They're on right now. And you push that in to get your headlights. Also took off the plastic valence under the front bumper. Put LED fog lights. The cap on the bumper is for Denali as well. We'll do a walk around. Show y'all how it's sitting. So this truck has a shackles installed for a 2-inch drop. Girl, them boys over at King Wheel and Tire, they've been taking care of me for a long time. So if you need your ride hooked up, go check them out. Yeah, 2014, sitting on 24s. The new Ultimate Denali replica wheels. Thanks for watching.